So everyone's obsessed with short clips right now. That's micro content, less than 3 minutes versus deep content, 20 minutes plus. You've seen the ads, right? Turn your long videos into viral shorts instantly. Tools like OpusClips Gling.ai, Framedrop, Veed, others. There's a dozen others that promise to explode your reach overnight. However, here's the truth. This is what I've seen. None of these tools actually help grow your business. They help you create noise, not traction. So if you're serious about getting clients, building a brand, or selling anything high ticket, then what I'm about to tell you will save you hundreds of wasted hours and frustration. Here's what's happening. AI clipping tools, however powerful, they take your long form videos like podcasts, webinars, or YouTube videos in this context and automatically chop them into 10 to 30, 60-second clips. They add captions, highlight moments, and they make you feel like a content machine. And at first, it feels amazing. Wow. You start posting daily, views spike, comments roll in, but then you check your analytics. Different ballgame entirely. Your website traffic hasn't moved. Your calendar's still empty. Your revenue, same. So why is that? This is because all the content that lives in a scroll-based ecosystem doesn't work. People on Shorts, Reels, and TikTok, they aren't searching for solutions. They're looking for stimulation. They are what I call scrollers. They're in entertainment mode, not buyer mode. So when someone stumbles across your 15 to 60 second clip, sure, they might like it, even follow you, but they forget you 10 seconds later. That's the truth. In a case study, one client posted 20 shorts per week using Gling.ai and OpusClips. Another posted one well-structured 8-minute long-form video per week. Guess who got the clients? The long-form team. Every single time. Don't get me wrong, tools like OpusClips and Gling.ai are incredible for repurposing. And in fact, they save you time, they make content creation easier. But the strategy behind that content is where most people completely lose out. If your plan is just to record something, let AI chop it up and post it everywhere, you're feeding the algorithm, not your audience, and you're not feeding it the right context overall. Think of short clips like movie trailers. Yeah, they're like intended to grab your attention, but no one really buys tickets from a trailer alone, right? They buy because the full movie delivers an experience they actually want. Assuming you're here on my channel, you're selling coaching, consulting, or high-ticket services, you don't need random eyeballs. You need intent-based viewers. And those are people who watch longer, think deeper, and trust faster. I mean, look at Netflix. That's your model right there. That comes from long-form content, videos that teach, tell stories, and position you as an expert. Not a random AI clips shouting into the scroll void. If you can still use these AI tools, that's great, just use them differently. For example, use Gling.ai to speed up editing, not replace storytelling. Use OpusClips to pull authority moments, not random sound bites. Use Veed or Framedrop to make your long form look cleaner, not shorter. By the way, I love Veed because the mindset shift is this. Don't automate attention. Engineer authority. I'll say it again, engineer authority. If your clips aren't sending qualified people back to your long form or offer, they're just vanity metrics. So in closing, before you spend hours pumping out AI generated clips that only get empty views, take a moment to pause here and ask yourself, does this clip lead people deeper into my world or just deeper into the scroll? This is what the video is all about. If you actually want to build a pipeline that converts, focus on long form content that earns trust and builds the credibility. Then use AI tools as amplifiers, not as replacements. If you want to learn more, I have a link in the description, and I'll show you exactly how to build a long-form content system that attracts real clients and real sales. In fact, teaser here, we use webinars as well. So don't chase scrolls, build substance. And that, my friend, is how you grow.